Okay, so if you have this type of question, do not get frightened. Okay, let's get to it. The first one we are going to pick is the inside one, which is 100 r raised to power 8. So if you have square root of 100 r raised to power 8, you can change the square root to power, and that is raised to power 1 over 2. And that will, let's put it like this: 100 r raised to power 8 raised to power 1 over 2. So if you find square root of 100, you are going to get 10. Just like 10 raised to power 2, then 2 cancels 2. Just go straight to that. And 2 here will give us 1. 2 here will give us 4. So we have 10r raised to power 4. Come to the second one. Here we have root 71r raised to power 4 plus, remember this is still inside it, plus 10r raised to power of 4. So they are the same thing. We'll add them together and we are going to have 81r raised to power of 4. The same thing we did here. If you find square root of 81, or you still put it the same way, you have 81 r raised to power 4 raised to power 1 over 2. So if you find square root of 81, you have 9. And if you r raised to power 4 times one, another power 1 over 2, here will give you 1, here will give you 2. So you have 9r raised to power of 2. I'm going to clean here so that we'll do the rest up. So if I clean here now, I will bring this one up, this 9r to inside here, and I have square root of 160r squared plus 9r raised to power 2. R raised to power 2, R raised, so we'll add them together and we have 169, and that will give us the square root of 169r squared. Just like what we have been doing since. We change it to the square root to power, you are going to have 169 r raised to power 2 to power 1 over 2. The square root of 169 is 13. And here cancel here. We are left with what? R. So our answer, when simplified, is 13r. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you share it to your family and friends. Bye.